Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Sarah Sholanke. If you're just stopping by, welcome. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Today, I am here to give from the Jade store on Instagram, and I am going to be opening it up now. It's a makeup brush set. I actually needed this so bad. Like, I wanted to change my brush. I'm tired of the ones I'm using. Like, so I got this, and I am just so happy I got it. And she recommended it. I'm going to put a link up here so you guys can check her out on Instagram. She sells affordable makeup products and she's a darling. And again, she gave me a free gift for purchasing. She gave me a brush, and thanks babe if you're watching this. So I am going to be using these sweet makeup brushes to create the look. So guys, I am cleaning my face with the ZARON face wipes. No matter how you wash your face, you must still clean before makeup because it's always dirty. So I am currently using my regular primer, which is the ZARON face primer. I'm in love with ZARON. I'm just in love with ZARON. And yeah, I am using one of the brushes I just got for my foundation. Although it's not a foundation brush, but it's so good because it blended in my foundation into my skin so well, I tell you. I think the name of the brush is DAROGE or DAROGE. That is the name of the brush, and I'm going to put it into my description down below. My regular foundation, which is the MAYBELLINE superstay in the shade warm coconut, that's what I'm using, and I'm just blending it into my skin here, as you can see. I had to use my GLAM eyeshadow in the shade orange as blush, and it came out so nice. And using blush on my bronzer is gives me that inner glow, you know. It gives my face the color it needs. So try it guys, just try it. You find out it's so good. It gives your face the necessary color. It brings back color to your face. So I went in again with my Flawless IV setting spray, and I bathed myself in it guys, just to keep my face hydrated, just to give me the hydration I need. And I went in with my turban. You know, I told you earlier that we are going to go from a 0 to 100. I didn't want to wear a wig. I just wanted something that will make me look so good, at the same time make me feel comfortable because of the heat in Nigeria. So I am wearing a big hoop earring just to bring out my face. And look at me guys. How do I look? So guys, what do you think? Thank you so much for staying till the end to watch this transformation, and I hope you learned one or two things, and I hope you can wear a quick makeup whenever you're going out now. So this is a simple makeup look I've created today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my video a big thumbs up guys, and leave a comment. So thanks so much. Till next time, peace and love guys. Bye.